Briefing Note Fundamentals captures the best of what we learned from reviewing countless briefing notes at all levels of government across Canada. Over decades, we've taught and talked to many writers, reviewers, and decision makers. From this, we've identified the common problems that briefing notes suffer from, and we built this course to focus on solving those problems. It gives writers the practical, specific tools they need to draft stronger briefing notes faster and deliver more readable documents to decision makers. And this will drive better, more efficient decision-making at a much lower cost. Here's what we mean. Briefing notes communicate critical information. Decision-makers depend on them to weigh options, shape policy, and make decisions that affect people across the province or country. So what you write in a briefing note matters a lot. The problem is they're one of the toughest writing jobs around. Briefing notes combine nearly all the challenges that writing can bring. Tight deadlines, limited space, complex content, and multiple audiences, just to name a few. Most organizations struggle with producing them, and they end up costing far more time, money, and stress than they really should. Because of all these challenges, briefing notes often get stuck boomeranging back and forth between multiple revisions and levels of review. This experience may sound familiar, but what you might not realize is how much it impacts your organization. Consider the number of hours, writing and reviewing, it takes to produce a document, then multiply those hours by the salary of each person involved, which gets higher as you go up the chain of review. What you get out the other end is quite an expensive document. Despite all the work, time, and money that goes into a briefing note, it's surprisingly common for the end product not to meet the decision maker's needs. It's often too long, hard to understand, or possible to interpret in the wrong way. This is not an efficient use of the decision maker's time and actually increases costs and risks to the organization that go beyond the process of writing. This course gives writers solutions to all the common problems in briefing notes, eliminating massive amounts of costly rework, back and forth, and stress. It teaches you how to communicate just what the decision maker needs to hear. We built this course the same way we teach people to write, with focused, useful content and no fluff or distraction. By the time you finish, you'll have worked through several practical examples and real briefing notes, and you may have even produced one of your own. You'll see whiteboard videos like this one, film of our instructors teaching like we do in person, and lots of examples. Along the way, you'll have the chance to interact with us and to learn from other participants. We've helped many writers over the years become confident and well-equipped in the briefing note world. With this course, you'll receive the best of what we've learned in a clear, easy, and focused online format. Sign up for the free module on our website to see us in action and take the first step towards briefing note ease.